a chocolate pie. I'm so excited to make this video with you guys. I have a special guest with me here today, and this one's really special. This is my little cousin Damena. She's been begging me to make a video with her. So we're doing it today for Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoy the chocolate pie and the video. Let's get to it. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. You'll need 1 box of cream cheese. Make sure that it's at room temperature. German chocolate, you'll need 2 packets of it. You'll need a pie crust, obviously, because you're making a pie. I prefer the Oreo kind, but you can use any type of chocolate pie crust. And then you'll need Cool Whip, milk, a hand mixer or just a mixer, and then you'll need 2 bowls. The first step to making your chocolate pie is you need to break all your chocolate except for 2 squares and put the rest of the chocolate in a microwavable safe bowl. And then you need to take 1/4 cup of milk and put it into your bowl. Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and then take it out, stir it, and repeat that process over again until it's fully melted. This should be the consistency that you get when you're done microwaving it. If it's not, it's okay, don't worry. Any consistency is fine as long as you use 1/4 cup of milk or a little bit more. Next step, we're gonna add our cream cheese into a bowl and we're gonna beat that before adding our chocolate in, and then we will add our chocolate in with our cream cheese. Now we're gonna add our cream cheese into a bowl and beat it until we think that it's at the right consistency, and then we'll add our chocolate in and mix it all together. Mina, will you tap the top of that? Oh dang, that's hard. Okay, I think we're good. I don't know what to do. You don't need to stir it that long with the hand mixer because it should look like this when you're done, or like when you do for like 10 seconds or so. But once it looks good, you should put your chocolate in and then you mix it again until that's all incorporated. And while you're mixing, you'll put your Cool Whip in. So make sure you have a partner to bake it with. Okay, Minnie, you want to pour it in? I'll hold the bowl for you. Your next step is to put your Cool Whip into your bowl once it looks about a milk chocolatey color, and then you will stir it up again. It's a lot of stirring. There you go, Nina. We put the whole thing? Yeah, the whole thing. It's a lot of Cool Whip. This should be your ending result, and this is actually the simplest pie I've ever made. Now the last step is to put your chocolate goodness into your chocolate pie crust, and then you smooth it out, and then you put chocolate shavings on top of it, and we'll show you that all in a second. Okay, ready for it? Just don't get on the edges of the wood. One thing that I forgot to mention is once you're done with your pie, make sure that you are making this ahead of time before you want it, like if you're gonna bring it to a party or something, because it's gonna have to freeze for like a day or so. So yeah. Now we're gonna shave chocolate on top. So ready? Here, I'll move the pie around for you. It's a little hard one. Okay, I forgot one last step. When you're done, don't waste this beautiful goodness. Lick the bowl, people. It's so good. Please don't waste it. It's amazing, trust me. Yeah, it's really good. It's very rich. Look at I hope you guys this on Thanksgiving or whenever you're making it. Bye!